an animal company, they just got this massive update, and now, apparently there's a few new maps, and sewers is apparently right here, which it is. I think that's mines, and I don't even no idea where office is. It says canopy, but I don't know if that's office. We're just gonna check out the new update, and hopefully not, get a heart attack, have a heart attack. Oh. So let's get our stuff, and let's get going. Alright, let's go. Come on. I'm here with Dragon, too. That's another thing. Where's Dragon? Dragon. Dragon. Dragon?
King Bob, come to Canopy.
Come on, Dragon, we're going to go to the new map. So apparently the new map is through here. And in the tutorial, I saw the new map, like, sort of. So, like, the ships. Saw this. I didn't know what to do, but now I do know what to do. And, I'm still kind of scared to go in the water, because I don't know what's in there. There could be, like, a demon fish. I don't see any demon fish. But the fish that's in Haunted Mansion, that's in here. Whatever. Right now we're just waiting for Dragon. He takes his sweet, precious time. I hear something. I don't like that.
King Bob, I got your grappler.
You got me a grappler?
Yes,
Cool.
I mean hook shot.
I don't even need a stick.
You?
Can I have the grappler? Thank you. Don't step in the oil. Oh my gosh, I almost just did. Ah!
We got jump to the blue one.
It's right here. Oh, you can't grapple on this. Interesting. It just like falls off. I think, isn't it right here? Yeah, there it is. There it is. Right? Wait. Dragon knows where he's going. I have no idea where I'm going.
Come here. You drove your flashlight. You need
Alright,
it.
I have one. I have one.
Okay.
Alright, let's do this.
There's no turning back.
Oh my gosh. Oh, we can use the grappler now. This part's so cool. Yo. This is sick. Oh my gosh. There it is. There's the new map.
Vents.
Alright, watch your map, because there is, something. I don't know what it is.
It's here. It's coming. It's on our left.
Dude,
There it is.
you see it? Dude, what the freak? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Something like screamed and like cried.
Yeah, that was the monster.
Where's the monster?
It's on our left. Yeah, he's the wait. There he is. Do you see him?
Oh my gosh. Dude.
He's going far away.
I don't like this. Oh my gosh.
You see him?
Oh my gosh. Dude, what is that thing? Yeah, that's right. Back up.
No, it's going away.
You don't want nothing to do with this.
One. I repeat, one.
I don't know where I am. Oh my gosh, this is so sketch. Yo, is there any loot? Where did you go?
I'm behind you.
Dude, the echo. He's right
I
there.
gotta like.
I hate this. Or we have to find
blue.
loot. There.
One, he's after.
No, I have the light. He's scared of the light. He's scared of the light.
Where is he turning? No, one!
Oh my gosh. Oh, I died. Dude, what the heck? That's why I should have brought a stick. I hate that vent. It's like so hard to navigate. Go get my stuff.
Are you alive?
I'm coming back.